Hola a todos, I'm Claudia from Barcelona International, and today let me take you through this one-bedroom apartment in Barceloneta. Come on through. As you step right in, you are greeted by this lovely open-plan living area / kitchen, which is super cozy and furnished with a very cozy grey sofa, and it's right in front of this very large TV, which has a big storage unit underneath for loads of storage. And if we come right through here, this kitchen, which has got the American style island in the middle with seating, so you can enjoy cooking whilst talking to friends right here. It's a lovely, perfect space with lots of storage units. It comes fully equipped with all the cutlery and glasses that you need. Small essentials like a coffee machine, a toaster come included. You've got the electric oven stove, a dishwasher, and over here you've got your fridge, freezer, oven and microwave. So everything you need in this kitchen. You've got your own little bathroom right here, which has a sink, a shower, toilet, a little bit of storage, so very modern. As you can see, this apartment has been recently renovated, so it's all very modern and sleek, but they have maintained the Catalan features, such as the high ceilings, the wooden beams exposed and the bricks. So it's a lovely blend of historical and modern, all in one. And right through these beautiful wooden doors, you are greeted by this master bedroom, which has a beautiful cozy double bed, a window which lets so much light come through, and this massive closet storage unit where you can tuck away all your clothes really nicely. And as you can see, there's so much space in here to tuck away everything. So it's a very good space. And now we are up here on this lovely communal terrace, which you can make the most of, with amazing views of Barceloneta, bathed in sunlight, and from some angles you can even see the beach from here, which is so special and so lovely. So if you'd like this to be your next dream apartment, please do contact us at info@casamona.com.